Hello everyone, today we will discuss introduction to trigonometry, त्रिकोणमिति का परिचय. Before going to start exercise, first of all we understand their basic, because without the understanding the basic we face the difficulties to solve the question as the given in exercise. So first of all we understand basic, right? Let's discuss. Suppose that you are standing in the balcony and seeing the across the river across. Then suppose that its make an angle is 90 degree, right? Yeah, this one is 90 degree. You are standing in this portion and seeing that bank of the river and it's make a 90 degree. In this all the cases, in it is a mandatory that it's make a angle 90 degree. Suppose that bank of river and you are standing there, right? And this one is base, right? And again you can understand by the another example, like this one is building, right? And at this time you are seeing from the bottom to top, right? Then in this also cases it's make the 90 degree angle, like this one. Understand? Then this case one first and this case one is second. We have seen that in the both the cases it's make a 90 degree angle. So we can use the Pythagoras theorem made at this portion. Now this one is base and this one is perpendicular P and this one is hypotenuse, right? Base, perpendicular, hypotenuse. Base that means आधार, perpendicular that's mean lump, hypotenuse that's mean curve, right? We can see that those portion where it is make the theta, then this portion is called the base, right? But base and perpendicular, one thing that to be remember, base and perpendicular can be changeable. If the angle, in any cases, if the angle is made at this portion, then that time, take a look example. At this time we make angle theta at this portion, right? Then this one is perpendicular at this time, this one is base and hypotenuse, right? Then what we have found that if the theta will be changed, their base and perpendicular also will be changed. Understand? Right? Now let's discuss Pythagoras theorem. Let's discuss Pythagoras theorem. The
h square equal to base b square plus p square perpendicular. Sorry for inconvenience. Basically voice is not recorded during the recording these classes, so I am adding the voice from another app. So so you face the some lip sync problem. Sorry for inconvenience, right? H that's mean curd का square, B base means आधार का square, और P यानी perpendicular that's mean लंब का square, right? Understand? Now let's discuss their trigonometry's formula, right? Earlier we have discussed Pythagoras theorem formula. Now understand sin theta. Sin theta, during the sin theta we consider the figure first. Understand? Because it is easier to understand all this formula by using the first figure. Sin theta that's mean perpendicular. Sin theta that means perpendicular upon hypotenuse. P upon H. P means perpendicular, H means hypotenuse. Cos theta that means base upon hypotenuse, B upon P. Sin, cos. Now another one is tan theta. Tan theta that's mean P upon B, right? All these three formula, if you have remembered, then rest three can be easily remember, because remaining three formula is to be a opposite of all this three formula. Sin theta opposite will be cosec theta equal to H upon P, opposite of sin theta. Cosec opposite, now sec theta. Sec theta that's mean P upon B. Tan theta opposite cos theta, B upon P. All these six formula, if you have remember, which is used upcoming exercise 8.1. Whenever we going to the exercise 8.2, now understand their respective basic of 8.2. So this basic only used in 8.1 exercise only. Understand? Thank you so much. And again sorry for inconvenience, because during the recording mic problem, my voice has not been recorded. Sorry again. Thank you so much.